sleep, I'm feeling blue.
Top one, nice one, get sorted.
Good afternoon, it is Friday and welcome back to the Escort. So I pulled the car out so you can just have a little look and see the difference. It's not a great angle like this, but I'll do a bit of a walk around now for you. Just come in. Dusty. I'm doing some work on this front quarter now, which I'll put a clip on and show you. You've seen in a previous video, it had a few hairline cracks, so I've ground that out. I'll attach the video, and again, usual standard, block it down, etc. And there we go. You can see now the stance and the shape of the car. Colin in the background, say hi Colin.
Hi Colin.
This is Colin. We're currently restoring Colin's Fiesta Turbo. A bit of information about Colin. Who was the first owner of your Fiesta RS Turbo, Carl?
Me.
You, and you got it back new?
14 years.
14 years. He's had it back. Original owner. We'll get the video up of that sometime soon. But yeah, there she is. To be continued.
How long has it been off the road?
And there we are. That's the front arch, now done. And there's the front arch. If you remember, they're all little pops, like pins, holes, blisters, raising, all the way across. Yeah, it's really hard to see now, but tapers and rubbery, as well as the repair to the front. And now on to the next side. So we look down by here, and that crack in the skirt, it's been repaired poorly before. Again, grind it out, fiberglass. So you'll see, I put the extra line back in down here now. I'm keyed this area out and ground it back, so there's a crack. I'm going to fiberglass it, but not quite yet because that's come away. So I'm going to get that back in line along with that then fiberglassed with a line in to compensate it. Previously we put these in, which is a bit tidying up. And back here you'll see we've made a start on the cracks. So yeah, it's little 2 hours we spent on the car today. We'll be on Friday. I'm not going to get a chance to work on the car now till Tuesday. I'll make sure obviously the clips which I've done, I'll upload it in the meantime on the video. I won't post until Tuesday. That's going to kind of be my religious day of posting now for this build. I've got a block with both skirts back, passenger and driver, do some fiberglass fixing on there. There's some little, well they're not dense because they're fiberglass, but like some waves in there. I want to flatten out to make them look right. Hopefully might do some work on the doors. Matthew's going to jump on the car now as well this week, as well to help me. So that will speed stuff up. Hopefully we'll see some of that footage as well in the video by the time I post it. Maybe doing some bits behind the scenes as well, leading into next week. I'm talking next week, however it'll be this week. It's Tuesday today, so sorry, it's Friday today and I'm not posting until Tuesday. I need to have next week to work on it. Look, I'm a bit optimistic, it's not going to be done in 6 days, with it being Friday today and the 24th. Look, 2 weeks, that's what we're going to aim for. Look, once it's in primer and it's blocked back, we're laughing, it's not a million miles away then. All the bits like the bumpers, they're all ready, so ready to prime them off the car, get them painted, paint the car, put it back together. It's an Escort, it's easy, literally. There's a few things just to chuck on, I hope. Get them a clean in, and then I'm wondering when I will reveal the car. Do I reveal it in a video, or do I reveal it on the big day of the wedding? I don't know, we'll see, time will tell. Anyhow, I'm going home for tea, and I'll see you again Tuesday. Cheers everybody, and out.
12 seconds later.
Now I'm at your feet, high speed, but you know you're in safe hands. In the dark, we make a brighter light, one spark to the horizon wide we trust. Together we tame the land. You'll be forgiven if you think you're
Rewind selector, I can't hear your rewind selector. Got to reload this tune of fire.
It's Monday, so yeah, I've got to work on a car a little bit sooner than planned. You might also notice that I've got myself a gimbal, so if you follow, look, happy days. So yeah, so it should help improve the filming experience for you. If you take a look down by here, I'm going to take you down to where I am. Can you see it? Yep, still need to work on it. We've had a third light skim. These bad boys now need a bit of blocking at the end, and then they're done. So yeah, a little bit of work has been done on the car. Tomorrow will be a big day, Tuesday, as always. I take on the journey. Stay tuned. Really, really, really light skim to block out down this way. It's a little bit hard to see with the light in. We've really blocked all that out now. You can see it's smoother and it's less of an aggressive edge on it. Same goes to this end. We've redone the wing. Another area we need to tackle now is across here. This will be on show with a spoiler. So if I rope behind here to lift the seal up, obviously so we don't scratch the original seal up, we'll have to take it off, replace it, because it's difficult to get hold of parts. We'll keep this up 80, probably put a skim of filler across it, and then we go from there. So I added this string underneath the seal, as you can see all the way around here, so it didn't damage the rubber strip. I've tapered it in. A bracket to hopefully realign the side skirts. It won't be seen. Let's see if it works. See now, I repaired the crack up top, keeping my line, rebuilding this in, and of course this gap up here. We've keyed all this area up now. We've taken out any like cracks across here. Ready now to this is fiberglass and on to the other sides too at the same time. Passenger side skirt, starting to take shape now. Onto the driver's side, you'll see a self-tacker now, which we found. Get rid of that. And something really funny. Due to, I would have suggested aerosol paint job on here, when we fiberglassed it. Obviously the fiberglass gets hot, anybody who works with fiberglass knows. It reacted with the paint underneath. And when it cured and dried, it peeled off. So we've taken that right back now to give it a better key, and let's hope we have a better result. This section has been built up nice and thick, so I can groove back in where the skirts on the original would join, like the other side. So just to check in on how the day's going, I just applied the top coat of body filler on my side skirts. Hopefully block these out so they get done. Wasn't initially going to even touch the side skirts. I thought, yeah, let's do them. And it's turned into nearly a 2-day job. So it's put me back a bit, but I'm feeling positive. Whilst I remember, I did a little repair here on both sides of a bumper. So I can use a 240 on a soft pad on a GA, just flatten that back now. I'll show you the finished product rather than the process. So yeah, so that little scratch or a crack or indent from the mould, no doubt, or a chip when it's been in transport, is now been fixed on the outside. I'm not going to bore you and show you, but yeah, it's just to show these moulds aren't perfect. Another job is to scotch inside here and then black that out. On the previous bumper, that area was cut out, but I want to keep as much like rigidity or whatever you say, strength in the rear bumper, so it's going to be done in black. You're not going to see it, it's going to look exactly the same, and you're going to keep the strength behind. Yeah, not a bad bumper, needed a bit of work. I think what caps I've done and the toe eye, that will set it apart from the rest of the reps, because they don't tend to have that on it. But yeah, it's come in, not a bad day, car will be done soon, I'm smiling. So, today wasn't a write-off, I wasn't feeling it, but quite a successful day. Spent a lot of time on the side skirts, a lot of blocking, a lot of sanding, a lot of TA work, a lot of fiberglass, a lot of filler. As you can see, I'm absolutely stinking, but I'll try and spend a few hours on a car on Friday, and then hopefully the following week it'll be done. But yeah, I'll keep you in the loop. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm enjoying making them. I'm not really getting on with the gimbal, but if you've got any hints and tips, send them over. Don't forget to like, share, all that usual jargon. It does help. Trending now. We've gained a massive amount of more subscriptions, and we're getting about 1,000 views per video. So yeah, try to keep the volume out and the background music as well now going forward, so we don't get copyright stuff and messages and emails. But yeah, happy days. Thanks, I appreciate the time watching, and I hope it benefits you guys. Nice one.